Well, as we near hurricane season, a lot of us remember the flooding some of our communities saw last year. Neighborhoods as far inland as Orlando were turned into lakes, proving that flooding is a very real concern here in Florida. And that's why flood insurance is crucial. But the headline we all saw this week gave a lot of us pause. New estimates from the federal government shows your flood rates could be doubling or tripling after the National Flood Insurance Program switched to a new method to calculate flood insurance. And get ready for the sticker shock, folks, because here's what it's going to be. Previously, your insurance rate was based on your flood zone and your elevation. Now, in this new technology and methodology, it throws out the flood zones and bases your rate on more data, with the biggest factor being the square footage of your home. I wanted to know what that's going to mean for us living here in the Bay Area, so I reached out to Jake Holhouse from HH Insurance Group. He broke down the rates for me based on zip codes across the Bay Area. For example, a home along Bridge Street in Tampa might currently be paying around $430 a year for flood insurance, but under this new methodology, the cost is going to be more than $3,200. Now, compare that to a home in St. Pete, where the average cost of coverage about $630 a year, but the actual risk-based cost of insurance will go up to $1,100 a year. Jake tells me that although homes in coastal zones are feeling the rate increase, most inland Bay Area homes are also going to see their flood insurance rates go up as well.
A lot of the more inland areas, so take like a Pinellas Park as an example, they're seeing some increase, probably in the 25 to 40% type range. But when you look at a Tierra Verde, that is seeing it at the 600% per year. And St. Pete Beach and Treasure Island are seeing that at 200 to 400% over that 5 to 10 year horizon. And so really those coastal type communities are really the most affected.
So we're all going to be paying more here. For existing homeowners, you will see increases of 18% a year until your policy jumps up to what FEMA thinks you really should be paying with their new methodology. Jake also tells me this is going to have large impacts on homeowners with Citizens Insurance. If you have a Citizens policy and you're in a flood zone, you are now required to have matching flood insurance for your policy.